Here I've got V-MOBILE S39, and let me show you how to add profile picture to a contact on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contacts. Now simply select the contact that you would like to add this picture to, so in my case it's Jimmy, then click on the edit icon and then tap on the camera icon, and you can either take a photo or choose one from your gallery. I will take one. So for example, if you want to catch this display and set it as your contact picture, simply do something like that. Now you can personalize it and then tap on save. And here it is. Here is our white profile picture, but obviously if your friend will be standing in front of you, then you will be able to catch his face. And then click on accept icon, and that's it. As you can see, the contact has been saved, and from now on you will be able to see the profile picture once the contact will be calling you, so you will be 100% sure who is calling you. And that would be all. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.